Hello everybody, it's Wang and welcome back for another tutorial. Today we're going to be learning some very easy coin magic that you can perform after nyo panoorin to. So some of the things that you're going to learn today are very unique and impromptu. It means it can be a borrowed object, no gimmick, no setup, completely impromptu. So enough talking. Mamaya lang tatahol yung mga manok dito and baka magising si Bobby and I don't want that to happen. So without further ado, let's get into it. So the first trick that I'm about to teach you guys is quite similar to my first tutorial, which is the snap change. Kung hindi pa kayo familiar doon, ganito yung itsura niya. So what's happening is madala ako magkaibang coin. Mas maganda kung magkaiba yung size at pati yung color, kasi gagawin mo is papagpatungan mo sila ng ganyan, nasa likod yung maliit and then kino-cover ng malaki, then hawak mo sila ng ganyan. Tapos ang gagawin mo na lang is ganito. Kung marunong kayo mag-snap na finger, ganun na din ginagawa nyo dito. So in order to para di mahalata, kailangan nyo takpan ganyan. So, hindi ko na i-explain na masyado kasi baka humaba yung video ko. So, panoorin nyo lang yung first tutorial ko. Kasi nandun yung lahat yung explanation ko paano nangyari yung snap change. So, ganun lang kadali. Parang ganun lang. With this, you can do anything. You can do it like that. Or like this. Or ganun. Just be creative. This next one is, ang tawag ko lang dito is drop change kasi di ko alam kung ano yung name ng trick na to. Pero ganito yung itsura niya. Ganyan. It's quite visual and an eye fuller. This is a hidden trick, so it means wala pang nakaka-alam nito, wala pang masyadong nakaka-alam nito. And I'ma teach it to you for free, and so you're so lucky. Kaya ano pang hinintay mo? Subscribe ka na. So basically, ang kailangan nyo lang dito sa trick na to is dalawang coin na magkaiba yung size. So I suggest na 25 at 5 piso yung gamitin nyo kasi mas malaki yung gap nila. So ang nangyari is your finger palming the 5 piso and the 25 is ihuhulog mo sa dito sa mismong sa 5 piso. Tapos, right after mahulog ng binjing ko sa 5 piso, isasara mo yung kamay mo. And let the bigger coin cover the tiny. So, ganyan. And with this, you're clean. I mean, you're not. Pero, you can do this to clean this up. Sobrang hirap nitong trick na to. And medyo komplikado. Kaya, huwag kayo agad mag-pick-fit pag hindi nyo nakuha agad sa una. Kasi kailangan nyo talagang magkamali bago nyo magawa ito ng perfect. So, sa una, magiging hindi sakto, hindi magiging ganyan, magpa-flash yung yung benching ko. Pero okay lang yan, just practice. So, in this next trick, ang kailangan nyo lang is isang 5 piso and it looks like this. Wait lang. Where did the coin go? I don't know. So, basically, ganito yung nangyari pag hindi ko sinara yung kamay ko. So, here. Ay. So, ganun na kadali. Pag sinara ko yung kamay ko, hindi siya masyadong halata kapag hindi mo alam yung nangyari. Pero pag alam mo yung move, parang it's quite obvious na. So, sa POV ko, ganito yung nangyari. Hindi ko alam kung kailangan ko pa explain yun pero basically, nangyari is i-slide mo lang yung 5 piso, yung coin, dito sa likod ng palad mo. And then, display it like so. So, ganun lang ginagawa mo. Ayan. And from here, pwede mo lang gawin is to clean this up is this. Para ka lang nagugas ng kamay. Then, tsung. So, sa una, mahulog talaga yung coin. May tendency sa mahulog yung coin dito. So, ang pwede mong gawin is magdikit ka ng tape, double-sided tape dito sa, ano mo, sa skin mo. Or, huwag ka maligo ng 3 araw. Tapos magpawis ka. So, yung lagkit, yun. So, this next one, yan, tumatahol na sila. So, this next one is not really a coin trick, but it's an eye candy coin flourish. So, it's called coin roll. I suggest na 5 piso yung gamitin nyo kapag ginagawa to kasi kapag piso or 25, I find it quite difficult. So, from here, your thumb will gonna contact the coin, and then your palm should be facing the ground, and then your thumb will slide the coin like so with your papunta sa index mo, and your middle finger will gonna go down, baby. So from here, your middle finger will gonna go down, baby, and then your index will gonna rise up like that. Then, ulitin mo lang yung motion na yun hanggang sa makarating ka sa pinky mo. Pag nandiyan ka na sa pinky mo, it's either pwede mong slide gamit your pinky or soluhin mo gamit yung thumb mo. And then, slide mo ulit. Pwede mo ulit gamitin. So, practice nyo to sa mirror sa CR. Kasi, wala lang. So, the last one is another coin vanish. And kailangan mo lang din dito ng 1 piso. So, it looks like this. So, basically, ang gagawin mo is yung coin, ilalagay mo dito sa gitna ng index finger mo. And then, your other finger will just gonna go like this. Parang bang, bang, bang. Bang, bang, bang. Pero, naka-relax lang na ganyan. And then, your middle finger will slightly touch the edge of the coin, like so. And then, from here, i-rotate mo yung kamay mo as if na nilalaglag mo yung parang nilalaglag mo yung coin dito sa other hand mo. So, ano nangyari is ganito. Ganyan. So, kailangan relax ka lang para magmukhang natural. Ganyan lang. And then, practice ka lang sa harap ng mirror. And tignan mo kung may ginagawa ka bang mali or what. And always remember to face the light pag may ginagawa kang coin trick. Kasi, ang gusto mo is kailangan mag-shine yung coin. I don't know, pero basta kailangan mag-shine yung coin pag nagko-coin trick ka. So, pag nasa likod mo yung light, it's a bad angle. Kailangan nakaharap ka sa light. Ganito. So, ayun yung isang tip when doing a coin trick. So, here is a bonus kasi hindi ko lang tandaan yung trick na to. Pero ito yung pinakaunang trick na natutunan ko nung bata ako. So, it's quite dumb, pero basta ganito. Ganito yung itsura niya. So here, papapiliin ka niya. So, nandito yung coin. Blah, blah, blah. Then, nasa na ngayon? Tada! So obviously, parang pinapasa mo lang yung coin na mabilis sa left hand mo. Then, kailangan mabilis para di niya makita. And dito sa trick na to, kailangan mo talagang nakatalikod kailangan mo nakatalikod sa light. Kasi pag nag-shine yan, makikita nila. So, kailangan nakatalikod ka sa light. So, ganun lang. Alright guys, there you have it. That's the tutorial of 5 coin tricks. Thank you so much for sticking around and learning all this. If you did enjoy this and find some value in this video, please hit the like button right there. Dito or dito. And please don't forget to subscribe, because if you don't, bye-bye. Oh, you know what I mean. So I'm Wang again without my partner Bobby, wishing you good night.